Here's a look at the 2026 31 BHDS Autumn Ridge by Starcraft. Spacious, comfortable, and built with families in mind, this RV gives you plenty of room to relax, sleep, cook, and enjoy time away. Stepping inside, the layout opens up nicely, with the kitchen on the left and a U-shaped convertible dinette and couch on the right, giving everyone a comfortable place to gather. The kitchen comes fully equipped with a dual sink, microwave, oven, full-sized fridge and freezer, and plenty of cabinetry to keep everything organized while you're on the road. Towards the front of the RV, the fireplace adds a warm, cozy touch and gives the living space a great focal point for relaxing after a day outside. The master bedroom is fully separated and private, giving you a quiet place to unwind and recharge at the end of the night. The bunk room is a huge highlight, with 3 standing bunk beds and a couch that converts into another bunk, making it a great setup for kids, guests, or larger families. The bathroom features a big, fully tiled shower, giving the space a clean, upgraded feel while still being practical for everyday use. Ready to take a closer look? Shop or apply online today at campmart.ca or visit CampMart in person and find the RV that fits your next adventure.